If you're getting no traffic, no engagement, and you have zero SEO experience, this app is going to make your life way easier. Because in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Store SEO app, a beginner-friendly optimization tool for Shopify stores. So whether you've been ignoring SEO completely or you just don't know where to start, this app actually walks you through everything step by step. So let's get into it. Let me give you just a little bit of background on what exactly this app does. So from optimizing your product descriptions with AI to fixing your image SEO in one click to tracking keywords and even handling multilingual SEO, Store SEO makes it really, really simple. And when your store is properly optimized, it becomes way more likely to rank in Google, get discovered by shoppers, and convert traffic into actual sales. This tool is absolutely perfect for small businesses, dropshippers, and anyone building an international brand who wants organic traffic but doesn't have the time to learn SEO from scratch. Store, so let's head up to this search bar up here. Go ahead and just click on Apps. Type in Store SEO and you're looking for this icon right here. Go ahead and click that. All right, so once you click that, you're going to be brought into Shopify's App Store onto the app's installation page. So you can see here all the key features of the app. When you scroll down here, you're going to see the pricing as well. Their cheapest plans are $20 a month and they go up to about $250 a month. You do also get a 7-day free trial. If you scroll down a little more, you can see some reviews, but if it all looks good, just go ahead and click this little install button here. For me, it says open because I already have the app installed, but for you, it's going to say install. So go ahead and click that. All right, so once you're inside the app, this is the first thing that's going to come up for you here. You'll be able to see all of the different things that you'll get within the app. So optimize SEO, keyword analytics, Google Analytics integration, just a lot of things that you can see here. And we'll click continue to the next step. The next step here is to pick your plan. So they start, like I said, at $20 a month. And if you scroll down here, you can actually see what's included in each plan here. So I would just pick a plan depending on how big your store is and all that kind of thing, whatever works for you. Okay, so once you've gone through all of the setup steps, you're going to land on a dashboard right here. So at the top, you're going to see, your total number of products here with your overall product SEO score. And the same goes for your collections, pages, blog posts, all that kind of thing. And if you want to, we can just click view reports here. So you'll see up here, we've got these same tabs to filter by all the collections, pages, or blog posts here. You have a performance overview as well. In this breakdown down here, you'll be able to see your total products, how many you've optimized, unoptimized products as well. Let me move myself. Total alt text added, meta tags, and also total issues on your product pages. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see your top scored products and your worst scored products as well. And you're probably wondering, why these percentages here matter. It matters because Google and other search engines use this type of metadata and structure to better understand your website. And showing up higher in search engine results means more sales without needing to spend any money on ads, right? So let's go optimize our very first product. We're going to go to this tab down here called Optimize SEO. All right, and you'll see the same options here. We can optimize product, collection, page, or blog post. So I'm just going to pick a random product to optimize here. So it's going to show you the optimized status here, and we can see this is not optimized, 9 issues, a score of 41% here. So if we just go ahead and click this button called Fix Issue. All right, so again, you're going to see this SEO score right there. Now, if we scroll down here, this is actually what you want to do. So you'll have basic SEO analysis, and you can see we're missing the focus keyword used in the meta title. The meta title is within 50 to 70 characters, which ours is not, so we're going to fix that too. If you scroll down here, there's even more detailed SEO analysis that you can do here. So we're going to start with our focus keyword here, right? And we can actually just click this keyword analytics button. And basically, you're going to be able to see your search volume, CPC, and paid difficulty as well here. So that'll help you pick something people actually search for, right? All right, so the first thing we have to do is put this focus keyword in the meta title. So we're just going to do that. And this is just as an example, right? But if we put this in here, you can see that our SEO score updates right away. So that's pretty cool. So basically adding this focus keyword in these different, title, description, all of that kind of thing, this is really important because again, the more that can be understood as to what's on your individual product page, the more likely it is to actually show up when someone searches for a product like this, right? So we can see all of the basic ones are done here. Detailed ones, focus keyword is used in image alt text. So basically you're just going to go down here and do everything that these little things say, and it should at that point just be fully 100%. Now, another thing you can do here is use their AI content optimizer, but in order to actually use this, we first have to add a budget. So we're going to go directly into all the way down here into this AI content optimizer tab. So go ahead and click that there. So this tab is not where you actually use the optimizer, but it's where you purchase credits for it. So you're going to pick your budget and enter your payment information, and then you'll be able to actually access the AI content optimization inside the optimized SEO tab that we just used. So for example, let's go back into the product we were looking at. If I were to use this AI content optimizer, it's basically going to generate everything. It'll autofill the title, meta description, alt text, everything like that. You can choose to keep individual suggestions, edit them manually, or you can also just click keep all to apply everything at once. And of course your SEO score up here will update as that goes on. So really useful feature, really easy to save time there. And another thing too, so again, if you want to optimize a certain collection or anything like that, you just do the same thing, go through all of your collections here. And I did forget to mention that in order to actually have and see all of your products on here, you're going to have to click this sync products button here. And it only takes a couple minutes for all of them to sync. Obviously, if you have many products, and also depending on which plan you're on, it might take a little longer, but have some patience. All right, so now go to the image optimizer tab right here. In this tab here, we can actually go and optimize every single image that we have on our store here. So you can click all of your products right here and click optimize. All right, so I'm just going to click optimize. And once you click this, I'm actually not going to be able to do that. But once you click this, basically you can see the before and after versions of your image's SEO data. So this is super helpful if you want to double check what exactly is changing about that image. So if you just go into your settings here and go to image optimizer, something you can do is actually turn on this auto image optimization. So that way in the future, images will be optimized automatically without going into each product and like kind of having to go through that whole process there. And then the same thing down here with the auto AI optimization. And you can actually just turn this on here and it'll automatically start optimizing really everything. Now down here, you can choose to actually use it for meta titles, descriptions, and tags, everything like that as well. And basically you want to aim for an SEO score above 90 for each product, right? So let's actually go optimize a page now. We're not going to optimize a page. It's basically the same thing. And I already explained how to do that. Another thing I want to point out here is the multilingual SEO. So if you come into this part of your settings, you'll see your published languages here that you have published on your store. And basically, I just recommend turning this multilingual SEO support on so you can actually optimize your products for SEO that has been translated in a bunch of different languages. This is a really cool feature. It basically allows each translated version of your product to be optimized for that region's search engines. So this makes your site way more relevant, which means more clicks. And then lastly, in your settings here, the backup and restore section. This is actually one of my favorite features. I've never seen this on another app, but you can actually create a backup. So you'd select the kind of data types that you want to back up on your store, and you just click the start backup button. And when it's complete, of course, you'll see that backup right there. But this is really useful because, I mean, let's just say you bulk update a bunch of product SEO and something breaks, or you accidentally overwrite good data. You can easily just roll it back here, right? So no panic, no manual fixing. It's a real time saver. Okay, so just scrolling down here in the image alt text generator, it's basically the same thing that we've been seeing. You can come here and just generate some alt text for each individual product, or if you want to, you can just click all of them and generate with AI right there. You can actually generate blogs using their AI blog generator right here in this tab. And this analytics tab is, of course, one of the most important parts of this app here. So you're going to see a ton of different data and analytics here. Now in reports, you'll see exactly what we saw when we clicked view reports on our main dashboard there. So this is all the same thing that we've already seen. And then just another couple things I want to point out on their dashboard here. So if you're just scrolling through, you'll see what's new. Of course, you can easily enable these things right from there. You'll also be able to see your AI credits for the month right here. And then down here, they have a lot of really helpful resources. So if you're ever confused, or you just need some help, they have this support right here. Right, so that's how you use Store SEO. Whether you're optimizing one product or your entire catalog, this app makes SEO approachable. even if you have zero technical experience. The built-in AI and automation tools save hours, and the multilingual features make it really perfect for global sellers. This is one of those tools that pay off over time by bringing you steady organic traffic and higher conversion rates without having to pay for any ads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.